Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Welcome to my channel, and here you will be inspired to live the lifestyle of the thrift and famous. That's right, no more rich and famous. Why break the bank when you don't have to? You can create a fabulous look in your home, all on a budget, by thrifting. You don't think it's possible? Well, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to take you on tours through different thrift stores, show you all the wonderful pieces that I found. We're going to go to estate sales and yard sales, and you'll see that once you find all the pieces that you want, and then I'm going to inspire you on how to style them. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the tribe. So let's get excited and let's go thrifting and let's decorate. Happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.